I spent a lot of time being jealous because I didn't have K5 Blazer in High Trail Edition by Traxxas. Now I have it! And I will tell you that there was a reason to be jealous. First off, the main difference between the TRX4 and the TRX4 High Trail Edition is the pre-installed long arm lift kit by Traxxas, as well as wheels with larger diameter. But at the same time, very important to me is this beautifully detailed Chevy K5 Blazer body. I am excited about it, and I will tell you that the Blazer looks great in this version with those wheels. It suits this perfectly. The appearance impressed with its similarity to real car. The combination of flexon with molded plastic parts create a beautiful appearance and lightness of the body at the same time. The lightness of the body in this case plays an important role in the possibility of the car. Chrome details through all body. The injection molded chrome grille. Detailed headlights are ready for LED light installation. The chrome bumper is also ready for light installation. Turn lights are ready for light installation too. That's great! Nicely detailed side molding. Chrome plate parts together with wood textured inserts. The windshield wipers, side mirrors, door handles and the gas cap are also molded plastic parts. Also the tailgate's handle. Oh, the back of the car is amazing. This authentic wooden overlay looks great. Chrome lettering, wow! I didn't even understand how it's made. These are not stickers. The tailgates are very nicely detailed, and that's all with chrome details. The tailgates are prepared for LED installation. The wheels here are larger than usual on TRX4. These are Canyon Trail tires with a 5.3 inches outer diameter and 2.2 rim diameter. This is the same tire tread as usual in TRX4. It copes well with the most difficult test. Those chrome rims looks great on this car. Because of this detailed replica locking hubs conceal, the rims looks cleaner. Clipless body mounting is implemented here. This is usual for car by Traxxas. This creates a clean appearance of the car and allows quick access to electronic. The fenders are mounted on the chassis. It's convenient. First off, long arm lift kit including longer suspension links, longer aluminum shocks, taller springs, and the revised front servo mount to maintain proper steering geometry. And I think a slightly extended drive shaft. All these, together with the wheels, increase the car's ground clearance and accordingly increase the articulation of the suspension. And all this increased the possibility of the car. All of the above in addition to what we like in the TRX4. T-lock system that make it possible to separately lock the front and rear differential on the remote control. Portal axles together with these wheels give even more clearance between the lower point of the housing and obstacles. The 2-speed transmission is also switched remotely. Low-speed gear for crawling, high-speed gear for fun. All electronics are fully waterproof. 5-channel receiver in the waterproof box. Convenient TQI 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter. In addition to standard function, we can also lock or unlock differentials, switch gears, and adjust other settings. Trail-tuned XL5 HV waterproof electronic speed control for 2S or 3S LiPo battery. Powerful Titan 21T motor with internal cooling fan. 2075X metal gear digital servo for steering. There is also 1.5mm thick steel leather frame. Let's start the car! This battery strap solution allows quick and easy battery installation. We install the battery, turn on the remote control, connect the battery and press the button on speed control. Let's test now! Some obstacles of the wheels. The car passed obstacles perfectly. So, let's go run outside! We are at the first location. The weather today is quite harsh. The temperature is below zero and strong gust of wind. Blazer will have a tough test. The car is heavy and in such deep snow the car gets stuck, which is expected. I have yet to meet a car that could pass it, but I have one interesting option for Blazers that I will tell you about later. It should help to overcome even such difficult places. So let's go further, where there will be a little less snow. It's a blizzard. The car looks great. The car drives easily on a compacted snow. Second attempt. It is also quite a difficult climb. The only thing I want to inform you is that since these are strong gusts of wind and it could create a lot of unnecessary noise, I decided to place the microphone inside of the car. Therefore, all these sounds are feels as if we are sitting in the car. We try again and again. Blazer made it! Here is a snow slope, and the Blazer copes with it perfectly. Oh, it's fun! Let's move to another location. On a compacted snow road, adhesion is good. It is difficult to make a skid. It's nice handles. Next location. We are on a beautiful lake and it's all ice covered. Let's go down to the lake. The snow is quite deep here. It takes effort to pass it. I'm delighted how the Blazer looks. Driving through this level of the snow is pleasure. A few more piles of snow. Let's go one more lap. It's a pleasure. Now let's have some fun on the ice. We remember that sound was recorded from inside the car. In reality, it sounds a bit different. Let's try to flip the car. It is really stable despite its height. Whoa, it succeeded only on the jump. The roof of the car scratched. When the tire reached the ground, the car confidently drives uphill. Let's dig in one more time. Now let's try to get out of this situation. It's fun in winter weather. We are in the beautiful place. The chassis and electronics are a little snowed and everything is a little frozen, but in general, fenders protect very well. We go to the workshop to clean, dry and draw conclusions. The car looks great. It brings a lot of fun. The 2-speed transmission and T-lock system make a lot of possibility. But deep snow, as for any car, is difficult. In the next video I will install Traxxas and we will check how it will affect the possibility. To install Traxxas on TRX4, it is recommended to install high True 400 servo and high output back, because this option is heavy. It is also recommended to install the long arm lift kit. In this case, it's already pre-installed. I'll have the Bronco for normal weather adventure, and the Blazer would be for the harshest conditions. Subscribe so you don't miss it!